Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to enable Reel Remix on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile from the bottom right corner. Tap on 3 horizontal lines from the top right corner of your screen. From the pop-up menu, click on the settings. Tap on privacy. Under the interactions, you will see the Reels and Remix option and tap on it. Now tap on the toggle button located at the side of the Allow for Reels. And you will enable Reel Remix on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to enable the Reel Remix on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.